How to convert photos to JPG in Windows. For this, go ahead and right click on the photo. Then, right here you will see the option of open with, tap on it and open it with Paint. Right here you can go ahead and edit if you want. If not, tap on File. From here, tap on Save As and select the format of JPEG picture. Then, you can go ahead and rename the file. Then tap on Save As Type and make sure it is set on JPEG. Then tap on Save. Now once you do that, let's go ahead and compare our format. So right here, this is our formatted file. If we tap open it, we will see that it is set on JPG. However, if we go ahead and open the original folder, you will see it is set on PNG. So just like that, we have successfully converted our image to JPG. Isn't it simple? So go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for watching.